Here at ARES Technologies, we strive to provide comprehensive support and knowledge to help our customers successfully install their purchased control modules. This video is part of a series created for Ford vehicles equipped with a PATS. PATS, or Passive Anti-Theft System, is a security feature found on many Ford vehicles built after 1996. It uses a special key with a transponder chip that sends a signal to the vehicle's computer, allowing it to start. Performing PATS may sound challenging at first glance, but with the right tool and following these steps in this order, it's an easy process. 1. To program the purchased PCM to accept your vehicle's keys, you will need 2 working keys. The keys should not be clones of each other, since the vehicle's computer will read them as one key if they have the same transponder code. 2. Insert one of the keys into the ignition and turn the ignition to on position. Keep the second key away from the ignition. If held too close, it may interrupt the process. 3. Using a scan tool with the PATS function built in, gain PATS access. This step takes about 10 minutes. Once access is gained, your scan tool will display a menu of programming options. 4. Select Unlimited Key Mode Off from the menu. 5. Select Key Erase and Program. If your scan tool has these functions as separate options, first erase the keys and then select Key Programming option. 6. Follow the prompts on your scan tool to cycle the first and second keys as instructed. Please keep in mind that these steps might slightly differ depending on your vehicle's year, make, and model. 7. If PATS is done successfully, your vehicle should now start and run with both keys. Please check our other educational videos in our YouTube channel or visit our website at arestechnologies.com for your module needs.